Hey guys, welcome to your instructional video for how to complete the hieroglyphics lesson of my Ancient Egypt website. Remember, you can access this site now by clicking on this link here in the description below. So your first job is to write down your to know and to be able to in the start of your book. So your to know is hieroglyphics, and your to be able to is understand hieroglyphics and be able to write using hieroglyphics as well. So there's two things. You need to understand them, what they are, and then be able to write using them as well. Hieroglyphics were how ancient Egyptians used to record their writing. It was like their alphabet and their writing system, developed around 300 BCE. Ancient Egyptians used pictures of animals, objects, and people to write down their language. The word hieroglyphics comes from the word in ancient Egyptian meaning sacred carving. And so I've done up a quick list for you, or a chart of what the symbols mean, which you can download as well. So you can see, for instance, you've got a cobra is J, a pot is G. So these are all the symbols and what they meant. So if we go back into the site here, you can see this is how to read them. So if all of the symbols are facing left, that means you read it from left to right, like how we would in English. However, if all the symbols are facing right, then you need to read it from right to left. So read it backwards. And a cartouche, lastly, is an oval-shaped symbol that contains the names of the pharaohs. And here's Cleopatra's cartouche here. Next activity, guys. Mark Milmore at Discovering Ancient Egypt has a really good website as well on Egypt that you should go and check out for a lot of resources. And one of them being that I'm just displaying here is his hieroglyphic typewriter. And so what we want you guys to do is type in these words in the typewriter and then go ahead and copy down the symbol in your book. So let's do the one for history to start off with. So I'm going to go History, and then I want you to go ahead and then write that down in your books. Okay, very, very cool. And so doing all those, that's your main activity for this lesson. And after that, guys, after you've finished all those words there, your second activity is write your name in hieroglyphics on this worksheet here provided. Maybe don't rush this task, put a bit of effort and presentation into it, just like the ancient Egyptians would have done. So after you do these two activity, guys, you're actually using hieroglyphics. You're understanding that they were the system of writing that the Egyptians used, but now you're using them and writing with them, which is pretty cool as well. Guys, if you enjoy these resources, these websites, or want to stay up to date with any changes I make to them, please go ahead and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I'll see you guys for our lesson on watch next.